Right guys, hi, how are you? As you can see, I'm at work. Mutungo nani reflector. Let me remove this so that you guys you won't be like, hey, and then so guys, today I came with another bang. Bang. When I say bang, I mean I came with another bang. You get what I'm saying? So this is the what I came with, guys. Me and my wife, my finance, my Alicia. We've been planning to buy a fridge since I think but one day. So I go somewhere. How do I look to? Let me. Basa baba kunenge kuchorone basa. So yeah, Mboroma chief ndakarwa ne drought kasaka ndakatenga kadiki. The small one showering. Akumongozia. Nachikero chikena madam yangu so. Hey, so yeah, this is the story, guys. We were planning to buy a fridge. So last week, 2 weeks back, we went to Fair Price. Then we saw what we want, but something bad happened. I'm not gonna say what happened, but something bad happened, and then things went with another way. So the money we had, so my wife, she's stressed and she wants that fridge. Not I can say she want, I'm lying. We want that fridge. You get what I'm saying? So as you can see, I'm at work. I decided to work hard for my me. A man must work hard, you get what I'm saying? So I decided to work hard so that I can buy the fridge. So I worked hard, then I have the money, so I'm gonna surprise her with the fridge. Because she thought maybe I'm gonna buy it after maybe 3 months. So me, I'm gonna surprise her today. Today, guys. Let me show you. Maybe today I'm going to buy a fridge. Today. Cash. Then I'm not gonna tell her. You guys stay tuned. I'm not gonna tell her what's going on. You're gonna trick, you cannot see. I'm not. I just want to fridge. She's gonna just see the delivery with our fridge. So it's a surprise. So guys, stay tuned and I'm gonna show you everything. Right now I'm still at work. I'm just preparing Then when I'm done here, then I go to the Fair Price, then I go buy what I want to buy. To end up me, I'm gonna go home first. The thing is gonna fall us. So me, I'm not gonna say anything. But I just want to finish your day. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Don't say I don't tell you to stay tuned. But I'm overall. So yeah. Back in the Fair Price. So I hope you wanna be there. Right. So I'm on my way to Fair Price. Stay tuned, guys. I want over our wish. Surprises got a week. Right. So I'm on my way to Fair Price. Stay tuned, guys. I want over our wish. Surprises got a week. I'm gonna need them. Go into the restaurant and just gonna grab it. No, kutara kuti kunoibhadhara tese kuzvinhu roza zvimenyo acho musesarati musenta kozi yangoshota nembijana zvedu ndomunobhadhara ndega aboizivayavisika.
They must subscribe so that we can buy a new fridge.
Guys, please subscribe for us so that we can buy a new fridge. Tanzania ngochengeta mari yacho zvikwana. Please boy. Ndakabatira nazvo. Sure. The delivery guy I phone. He said he's on his way. So I'm hiding so that your other phone is called and she was one. So guys, let's wait. He said it's gonna be in 20 minutes. So stay tuned. We are going to see that side. Hello. Hello. Madi.
Hi guys.
How are you? Busy.
baba unofarira bishi.
Ndati baba pamba pano vanoda bishi.
Vanofarira beans dzandobika futi.
Kwete dzinobikwa nedzimwe mbongoro dzese dzamadhamu yangu chete ziya. Wera. So guys, stay tuned. Kapeji kedu kaka. Ndauya miye mama. Surely mama. Sorry man. Atandara. Takatandara.
Rain, go away.
Vanhu vakutoziva makatuni ekuda kwemwana tavanzwa nokungoimbira rain go away. I don't know where they want the rain to go. Makusenzena mukarimo kamakatuni uya mama. Ndakunotora vanhu vacha kutomborasika. How can they get lost for sort of surprise like this? So I just said I'm going to buy something. So yeah, let me look for them. Right. Wanakatanga. Doko katanga ma. Hey. Let me go call. Ukufilasi. Ndafara pandanga namba tisiri kushanda. Kana ndatirika ndimbochanza. Ndikakuvunza zviri kufaya here ikoko. Kune zvitoradza. Aiwaka. Hey. Lisa. We. Yaoni hora. Wishu mkwishu. Ngoya. Yaoni. Yazindaoda. Ora ratakaona.
Hello.
Awa. Hola, ni apela magenzi. Kufura wandi kezo varadi. Patsemi for those time vanokungoti vatipedza ndopati chitanga izvi. Bad news. So yeah, ndakunamba mbembere. I'm sure mani akuchako kubata mbembere. I'm just shy just because of vanhu varipo. But mweya mwene pachaenda. Aitenga chaguma denga nekuma. Ndikuzvitaurira mwana anorora muchikota teiraki ndimbondani ndana andinakana neremuromo. Siyabonga boss, thank you for nice deliverance. Asiyabonga.
Oh, you said we must check if it's fine.
Oh, you have to open.
I honestly check it, but just to check and then I check out. You check it.
Okay, yeah, okay.
So
Yeah.
yeah, it's the glass.
Or the glass is in front.
Front.
Ora. Ora ratakaona. Ora. Yavurwa ya. Pane pandakamboita lozi here mupanoma. Did I ever get a lozi? That doesn't. Ndinasina kundaweni. Kati une chipini ngurwa. Iyo yopene ngurwa. Pedevu. Ndetongeza vatitakura iyo zvinoende nayo. Ndinoruhora hazviri kuzvambinyika brand new yabviswa mberi paiyo. Open, you are loud. It's yours. You are loud. Allah. Ora ro bubanda ngozio. Owa zize mara. Oh, it's funny. It's bad. Oh. Kumbotsvakana nice quality sekuru ndaitarisa. Varare. Tango mlungu. Nambe kasi machenzi ne na deliveries. Siyabonga bafu. Tango mlungu. Tango. Sekwenzekile. Gambo. Simbo mtauro. Allah, we did it, guys. We did it.
Guys, the last time we wanted to buy the fridge, we were not able to buy it. Something happened.
Yeah, I even told him before that something happened. We know what I do one.
Not so long ago, just a week
Hey, don't go better one. Got a Jima foot. My fat man. Hey. You always welcome, sweetheart. Pesa now. Kuna ujiri pesa now. Yeah, tata kuigaira. Mara tata tuijakwa.
Oh, ngana ndo Friday.
Tata kuinira.
I'm so happy.
Saindwa.
Asikasia rabenda msana.
Wango maziri mwana. Guys, ndikuya negrocery nyowani food. Ndakaloda badness. Mukutanga ngopinda zvinhu nyowani shit. Saka ndikusvika vamwe ndisingaite zvimastanzi. Kamboini I don't dance. Vamwe ndinopinda mumafanzi. Ngoma ndoidya kunge donanzi. Saka ndakabva pamuzanzi. Saka ndati kunze kunodoka asi kunochena kuchachena warasiita kana kuti yadhura. Kunze kunodoka asi kunosviba asi kuchachena. Chero mati hatina basa asi pamuchatishaya muchatifunga chete muyo kundirongera undoye pachimoyo asi life haidi kudaiso kunditiya panikaziso arama yakavhura chiso mukambonaisa chipiraniso vanga vachida kuti isusu tigebeuka asi kangoma wangu ndavhuka vaiti kakandakatachkoka asi kasiyana vabhenda mzana vangoma dziri muhana tiri kupa zvakabhana aramba achanimisa hapana aiwankana unouya once benzi ratinga benzi saka ndikusvika ipapo ndisingaite zvimastanzi mukamboini I don't dance vamwe ndinopinda mumafanzi ngoma ndoitya kunge donanzi saka ndakabva pamuzanzi but kuda todya bhinzi aiwa itongoriwo bhinzi zvinhu zvacho zvitoriwo bhinzi wela akaitofara kaiza fada aya akaiza ndokubhaisi epinesi atinayo vanapa going through a lot.
Especially to get this guy.
Viriji yakatotarisa mukotapeya mumuheji ndoma yakatotarisa. No, mira kumavhisi. Wait. She said you must not use it today and you must give it 7 hours because inenge yabva kuiswa gasi izvezvi. So saka nongotsvaga pokuisa pa 7 where we are looking for
home side connect.
Yeah, and don't put it on the electricity. I will show you the video. The video is the when she was saying that. Who was me? Who was me?
It was you, my husband.
Who was me?
It was you, my
Whose husband is me?
It's my husband.
Finish. Tell them we're going to throw that away. Oh.
We are throwing it away, guys.
Yeah.
Yo.
So guys, so yeah. Ndiro video raenda kudzairi ndiri kubatsana nani ndipe mvura kwa iwe
mira
ndotesa mazowe
papa silver or black
papa yange ine black the other one ndio ine silver
asikasia
vabhenda mtsana
you saw them
I showed them open I showed them even when I was
inside
yeah but not that much.
Guys, this is so nice and it's well. We should have said.
Ndichawatsanangurira kuti zviri
watingolemskana
ndasvika akatondimirira cheko nangoti ndichibudikira padhondo anenge andonati from afar she saw me from afar was like and then ndakatobata camera was like there she is.
Guys, I'm gonna start creating a time from now until 7 hours. I can't wait to just switch it on.
Yeah, but 1 year guarantee.
But why are you saying we mustn't remove this?
Kana takuipusha zvinomuvha katiita kuti kana yagara panzvimbo zvinhu zvinotanga kubuda kana masoteve kubata so mira tingotsvaga somewhere. So guys, we just want to find somewhere to put it. So yeah, this is the video. Thank you guys for watching. Atiziye pachaya chimwe chibhengi pambera mangwana between Friday and Saturday. Yeah, between Friday and Saturday there's something gonna be happening.
I'm sure you saw a video to those who watched our last vlog. Yes, I'm sure you saw a video we were together.
No, I even told him that so yeah, I hope it's gonna fit up, but it should be fit.
And guys, the video of story time, of the labor story time, we're gonna drop it soon.
Very, very soon. It's coming. Stay tuned. Bye bye. This is my wife. If you, yeah, bye bye. Hey, I sense. Mtupo. I sense. Hey. What did you say? When is gonna happen? Como tem abrir o tema? Muzazu jambe mada ngovo maikuti mapedzi mada nefiriji yavo nyombo tasvika ndakajika
where
ndandakaisa muhomwe zenda ndasvika ndichipeta ndachamoto
mugambo wanetsa padhorobha
guys,
all of the things in this house, guys, they are from peer price.
All of them.
Everything in this house.
Guys, get me further. Bye bye. Hey,
stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.
Jiti kana bagumba. Aiwa kwete.
It's raining, yo.
Mama, this is the mandara of the fridge.
The mandara.
The mandara of the fridge, the mandara. So that all people will understand. What is the mandara mean?
Mandara virgin.
Yeah?
It's not a virgin. musikana ati kurirei ndizvo.
Saka abviswa umhandara saka tete zvaini
Asi kubviswa mukadzi amvana mukadzi. Yes. Guys, just look at this. Yo. Look at the black one.